Pineapple and other things very allergic, so I should say it.
There was a desert wind blowing that night. It was one of those hot, dry Santa Anas that come down to the mountain passes, curl your hair.
Come to Los Angeles. The sun shines bright, the beaches are wide and inviting, and the orange grove stretches as far as the eye can see. There are jobs aplenty, land is cheap, every working man can have his own house, and inside every house, a happy all-American family. You can have all this, and who knows, you could even be discovered, become a movie star, or at least see one. Life is good in Los Angeles. It's paradise on earth. That's what they tell you anyway. Meet the little wives for the eggs and carpet instead of the husbands and necks. Anything can happen. You can even get a full glass of beer or a cocktail invitation.
Yeah, same. It's crazy. We should just sit in this like city area.
Challenging gusts of up to 70 miles per hour. If you're out driving tonight, watch what you bring on the road, especially from those pesky palm fronts. It's one of those it'll feel like you rolled the body.
Accentuate its components, its aluminium. The lens shows us how westerly entry.
I don't like my face, but otherwise it's great.
I don't like mine either. Don't worry. I hate my pictures.
Thanks a lot.
No problem. Thank you. You did great.
Thank you.
Would you like an orange Pepsi? Yes, please. Thank you. Would you like an orange Pepsi?
Can I come back for them and the pages
For you? What for you? You're welcome. Enjoy it. Hello. Would you like an orange Pepsi? Of course. Here you go. Enjoy it. Enjoy it.
Just not to touch. I've seen people touch it.
Thank you so much. They have a super pretty Porsche. Oh, I know. I was gonna buy it. Hopefully many more projects together. I hope so too.
Looks like a good journey.
Yeah.
So we leave that way?
Would you like an
You kids are.
We're here.
Is a scar in there? Is the scarf in there? Yes. You can put it on your head and like. Oh my god, the whole experience.